Vintage Weiand 671 supercharger manifold. Everything looks good. Yep, everything looks great. On it goes. I'm leaving it on there. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. Oh yeah. Touchdown. That looks great. I do have to pull this gasket off. I didn't think I did, but it dawned on me that the other bolts are on the inside here, so I was just trying to keep this gasket from getting hurt. You can't see. Oh, you missed it. It's on. Surprise. Sorry about that, guys. I'm really sorry. You missed all the fun, but let's just say it went on perfectly. You could probably hear, but you couldn't see. And no, I'm not redoing it for you. No do-overs. Alright, I just didn't want to hurt that gasket. Okay, in here, in there. Man, it's actually down. Okay, bolts. I am fairly certain that these are my intake bolts, 1.25 inch. And you know what? I didn't get any gaskets or washers because I think that in fact, I'm almost positive that's going to be too small. Yeah, I should have gaskets on this. I should have washers, not gaskets, washers. Oh boy, oh boy. Well, that was dumb. Ordered these and didn't get any washers, or didn't order any washers. See if I can find some. Washers. Oh, I did order some. Ooh, I'm smarter than I. Well, no, I just remember I ordered some. Yay me! Yay me! Yay me! Yay! Now the question is, where is the Allen wrench that fits these? Gotta go find that. Allen socket, where are you? Nope, not that one. Ta-da, it's this one. Stop looking, I found it. Quit looking, I found it. Alright, I found it. Alright, washer. That washer is terrible looking. Okay, let's do this the smart way. I need like a pan, like a metal tray. I probably should get one of those. Stay. Stay. All right. Here we go. These center ones always leak oil up onto they always leak oil. So I put silicone on them to keep them from oil leaking past the threads. Because it always happens. Ooh, that might not be good. This might be too long, this bolt here. That looks like an awful lot, pretty close to a push rod. Modification. I don't think I'm gonna run these inner bolts here, because that's a push rod right there. I don't want to hit that thing. So we'll go here. I may very well have bought bolts that were too long for the outside for this intake manifold. That wasn't very smart. Let's see, are these too long? Nope, those work. That isn't going to work. So I'm going to pull this blower plate off. The pressure plate. Wow, this has just turned into a lot of fun. Let's use the quick gun. Let's go to this one. This is the blower pop-off plate. If I get too much pressure, it pops off. So it releases out here instead of blowing the blower up, which is, you know, not good ever. Okay, they're not even close to even snug. They're not even touching down. These are blind. Those are going in. Put all these in real fast. Why don't you go over here? Go down there. Oil pressure gauge. Go down there and look at the oil pan. They're not even touching. They're not even seated. Don't worry. Don't yell at me for tightening the outside first, because I didn't. Just making sure they're not too... Oh man, I think all these are actually going into push rod spots, possibly. Yeah, they are.